This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Guyanese-style barbecue sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Don't forget fresh aromatics like 3 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and half an onion. Also, have 1 hot pepper, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 teaspoon of mustard ready. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by finely chopping or mincing your garlic, ginger, and onion. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add your prepared aromatics and sauté them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. This step builds a wonderful flavor foundation. Next, pour in your 1 cup of ketchup, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, stirring well to combine. It's time to infuse more vibrant flavors. Carefully add your 1 chopped hot pepper, the fresh juice of 1 lime, and 1 teaspoon of mustard to the sauce mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. This simmering time allows all the wonderful ingredients to meld and deepen in flavor. Almost done. Now, taste your Guyanese barbecue sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a little more brown sugar for sweetness, a pinch of salt, or even another dash of hot pepper for extra kick. The sauce should have thickened slightly, enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once you're happy with the flavor, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Enjoy your homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.